man, it's Workers Lee, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the lifestyle, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have my revenge collection. So as you guys can see, some of these pieces are listed for sale, but as of right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the revenge pieces that I do have, which is right over here. We're gonna be going over each one of these pieces in depth, but the very first thing that I need you guys to know is this. If you've never shopped with Revenge before, I want you guys to be aware of one thing. They have terrible customer service. It's absolutely trash. I ordered 2 pieces from them to start off. I got one, I never received the second one despite the fact that it said that it was delivered. I went ahead, I handled the situation with USPS, and to be honest, I really thought the money was gone. I wasn't gonna try and fight to get my money back, but I ended up trying to get a hold of them to see what happened with my package. I sent 3 emails to the customer support, never got a response. I DM'd every revenge page or person that I could. Anywhere that I could have contacted them, I went ahead and I tried to. I never got a word from them. Based off my last experience, if you guys didn't know, I ended up getting scammed like I think a year ago or like 2 years ago. Link to that video is right here. I wasn't able to get my money back. It was like in a temporary amount, but I ended up losing the case. So I thought the same thing was gonna happen with this one. However, thanks to my begging, I was able to go ahead and get my money back. We had to take it to like the second level. The first level, Revenge had one. It showed on their end that it was delivered. However, on the second level, there was no proof of the package actually getting to me, like physical proof, like pictures and stuff like that. So fortunately, I was able to get back my money. So I want you guys to kind of be aware of that. And to the next question, well, if you had this terrible experience with them, why the heck are you shopping with them? That's actually an amazing question. Well, for the piece that I did end up getting, which was the orange spider hoodie for Halloween, quality was actually really nice. I'm talking about way better than the Gildan quality that we've been getting for V-Lone or a lot of these other drops that I've been getting. They actually put some time and effort into the quality, and I was like, hey, let me go ahead and risk it. On top of that, I have started a reselling challenge. Revenge pieces tend to go for a good bit. You can secure like a $10, $20 profit on each and every single piece that you go ahead and order. If you're cutting under the market, you're able to land a sale for like what they usually go for. You can pocket in like $30, $40 above the price that you originally purchased it for. So because of those reasons, I was just like, you know what? Let me take my chances, but I went into this knowing, hey, something like that can happen again, and this time I may not be able to get my money back. Without further ado, now that you guys have this little fair warning, let's go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started in the Revenge collection. Now we're going to start off with one of the more recent collections, and it was the F Venoments. I don't really know what that means. If you guys know like the meaning behind that, make sure to go down below and comment. The very first piece we have Revenge White F Venoments crew neck. The main reason why I went ahead and bought this piece is because I was like, hey, I think this would do good for resale. But also the reason why I picked it in particular is because I'm screen printed, like multicolored. Like I don't know, like I got some Kingdom Hearts vibes from just this. Like I don't know, like it's just really cool. And on top of that, it is thick. But one thing that I will go ahead and say is that with the fitting, I really wish that they did a thick collar, or I wish the collar hugged your the neck a little bit more. Quality is there and everything, but for some reason I just feel like this would be like the perfect piece if it had like that thick collar. I would probably end up keeping the few ones that I have. You know, it's my only critique, but overall it's just like the quality is very nice. It's very soft on the inside, and just the print is really nice. I don't know which one is my favorite. To be honest, they're both really nice. It's really good quality, and I feel like you can style it with a whole lot. And now that I went ahead and gave you guys my piece, I want to let you guys see what it looks like on body. Alright, and now we're going to move on to the second piece from that type of collection. So we have the Revenge Black Crew Neck F Venoments, and the same thing. However, the print for the Revenge, it doesn't pop as much as the white. I'll be real with that one, but I'm not gonna lie, this mug is hard, and the quality is really good. Only critique is that one thing. It's just nice, bro. Like this one being black, I feel like you can style this with so much. Even if you want to come up with like this all black fit, throw this on and some change, you're good to go. So I don't really need to say too much about this piece. It's basically like the second one, but it is in a black version. So we're gonna roll the footage and let you guys see what it looks like on body. we have all the pieces that are personal. However, I did get one of these other pieces to go ahead and resell. And this is one of Later collection, but it's one of the more favorable ones in my opinion. Start off with this blue one. Okay, so we have the Revenge Blue, I think it's Lightning logo hoodie. And I'm not even gonna lie, like one thing that they do that is really, really cool is that like they'll have the print go past just the body of the piece. So as you guys can see, like right by the hoodie, you can see it. However, the only thing is like type of paint that they use to go ahead and like print it on and whatnot to kind of like get these looks. It kind of messes it up a little bit, but it's just like minor little things with like the gluing to keep it held on. And then as you guys can see, when we get to the back, look, it's live. It's like you got the earth, but it's like covered in lightning. It's like a lightning ball, you know what I mean? Go ahead and touch on the material. It's a heavier piece. It is very, very comfy, cozy, great material. I've been wearing this around for a little minute. It's cozy, it's nice, great quality. I would recommend this piece. I like it. Now that I gave you guys my quick little rundown over this nice, cool, unique design, I'm gonna let you guys check it out on body. I told y'all, that mug fire, that mug fire. Okay, now we're gonna go to the black version, and before I pull out the black one, I want you guys to know that I do have one that is for resale. I've kind of put the price underneath the market. I've been kind of cutting it. So if you guys want to get your hands on it, each and every single one of these pieces besides the orange hoodie is a size large. Alright, so now we have the Revenge Lightning logo hoodie in black. And I'm not gonna lie, this mug is hard. Even whenever I saw it the first time, I'm just like, this is most definitely hard. The day I got this, I wore it back-to-back days just to go for the fit and everything. Because as you guys know, I've already gave them compliments for their quality. But at first, I wanted to really see like, okay, is it like a hit or miss? Was it just this one Halloween piece that they went ahead and gave a lot of hype? But it's actually not. Like, went ahead and they changed the hoodie. This one isn't cropped, it's a regular hoodie. So for all of these past hoodies and like crew necks that I've been showing you guys, they are just regular, they're not cropped. And I really wanted this one to be cropped, so much to where I was thinking about doing it myself. Nonetheless, this is a nice hoodie. I don't have too many black hoodies, so this is a great one to add to the collection. Remember guys, if you want to go ahead and get your hands on this one, it's going to be a link down below on my bio to go to the _easy resale so you guys can go ahead and shop. Without further ado, you guys already know we gotta see it on body, so let's roll the clip. Alright, now this is going to bring us to the very last piece and could possibly be the hardest piece yet. So this is the Halloween King Von drop. This was before, you know, obviously before everything happened. RIP to King Von. Doing this great collab, you know what I'm saying? Good business for both the artist and yourself, and then a tragic thing happens like that. I know it really, really sucks, so praise out to those guys. But we have the King Von inspired, and I think it's like the orange drop. What really got me with this one is that they had like this 3D type of print. If you guys can look at it closely, I'm trying to get good footage on it. It's like puffered, and it's kind of, I don't want to say it's glittery, but it's like it has like this cool shine. And this one's cropped as well. Unfortunately, I got this one in a size medium. I really wish I got it in a size large, but it is very, very tough. But on ground, I would say that they're going for almost $200 for this piece. But look at the back. Do you guys see that? It had the little Revenge logo right on the forehead of the skulls. It looks like it's screaming. This is so tough. So tough. One thing that I will go ahead and say is I wasn't expecting it to be as bright as it was. Whenever I got it, I was thinking it was going to be more of like a matte type of orange. I wasn't expecting it to be like this crazy one that just screams at you. So I would have probably got like black. But at the same time, this is very, very tough. I just can't pull it out as much as I would like to. But let's go ahead and start that B-roll. Pretty hard collection. I have 2 more pieces coming, or like probably 1 or 2. You guys make sure if you want to go ahead and shop, link down below, easy resale. I literally have so many pieces, and I just want to give you guys a quick little rundown before you go ahead and dip when we close out this video. Make sure you guys enter the $500 giveaway, man. For the previous video, the one with Vitaly, shout out to them for sending the pieces over. And guys, I just want to go ahead and thank you guys again for supporting me. If it weren't for you guys, we wouldn't have got to the point to where we are today, to where a brand literally reached out to us, and we were able to secure a $500 giveaway that one of you guys will win. One of you guys won $500 worth of jewelry, and all you literally have to do is like go on the video, watch it, and just tap the link in the bio. So we'll go ahead and take you to like the page. That's it. Very simple. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this collection. It was about, I'm rounding up, it's about $800 to $1,000 worth of revenge pieces over here. Let me know if you have a revenge collection. Let me know if you have any one of these pieces, or just any pieces that you guys have in general. But anyways, this is where Chris Lee, aka CEasy, and I'm out.